How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS workbook. All of you open your EVS workbook page number 28. Amma, all of you open your EVS workbook page number 28. State whether the following statements are true or false. Page number 28. Everybody, you must open your EVS workbook at the page number 28. Now, true or false? Arctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. Yes, it is called the first one is true. And the state of Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Yes, Jammu and the Srinagar. Srinagar, Jammu. It is having two capitals. That is also true. We can find kangaroo and emu in South America. False. Only we can kangaroos. Next. The ocean and seas are a part of hydrosphere. Yes, true. Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana states. True. Seas contain fresh water. False. Seas contains salt water. So, false. First one true, second one true, third one false, fourth one true, fifth one true, sixth one false. Okay? Completed? Rubbing. Next, compare the structure of the earth to a boiled egg. In the given table, which layer of earth contain landforms? And layer of earth. Layer of earth and part of the egg. Part of the egg. The first one is crust. The outer layer is called a crust, like a shell. It is like the shell in the egg. And the second layer is called as mantle. The second layer is the mantle, like a white in the egg. And the last inner layer is called the core. Inner layer is called the core, like yak. In the yellow substance in the egg. The yellow substance in the egg is called yak, white and shell. Shell is the outer part, like crust. Okay? Next. Dash is the layer of earth which contains landforms. Crust. C-R-U-S-T. Crust. Okay? Complete. Rubbing amma. Next, fill in the blanks. All the continents were once a single mouse called the Pangaea. First one, Pangaea. India is located at the south part of Asia. South part of Asia. South part of Asia. Pangaea and Asia. The third one is the world's largest desert is in the dash continent. Is in the Africa continent. Africa. Africa. The majority of population lives in dash country. Asia country. In our country. In Asia country. Sorry, Asia continent. Asia continent. Asia continent. Asia continent. The world's largest island is in dash continent, North America continent. North America. Largest island is Greenwood Island. It is located in North America. Russia spreads into dash and dash continents. Russia spreads into two continents, Asia and also Europe. Asia and Europe. It spread to two continents. Europe. I'm rubbing them. Next, take next page. Answer the following questions. How many states and UT means union territories? Union territories are there in our country. How are Puducherry and Delhi are different from other union territories? 28 states and 9 union territories are there in our India. And Puducherry and Delhi are different. Means actually Nana, in the union territories, I said you already, own government, state government will not be in the union territories. Union territories lo the state government undadu. They have to follow the rules of the central government. But in Puducherry and Delhi, they too have the own governments like states. మనకు స్టేట్లలో స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో సేమ్ అలాగే ఆ టూ యూనియన్ టెరిటరీస్లలో కూడా స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ దే ఆర్ 28 states and 9 union territories. 9 union territories in India. In India, Jammu and Kashmir, in our textbooks 29 states and 7 union territories are given, but it is prepared once upon a time. Okay, recently 2 more union territories are added and 1 state is decreased. Okay, removed. So now 28 states and 9 union territories are there. Puducherry and Puducherry and Delhi and Delhi are entitled entitled to have an elected chief minister, unlike other union territories. Unlike other union territories. There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. Puducherry and Delhi are entitled to have an elected chief minister unlike other union territories. Next, what is a continent? How many continents are there in the world? A continent is a huge stretch of land, a continent is a huge stretch of landmass that rises above the level of water body, around it. There are 7 continents in the world. 7 continents in the world. Next, third answer. I'm rubbing first, Amma. Name the oceans. How are they different from the seas? The 5 oceans. The 5 oceans of the world are Pacific, Atlantic, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic, oceans. Seas are smaller than oceans, and are generally a part of the oceans. Partially enclosed by land. Enclosed by land. The five oceans of the earth are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic oceans. Seas are smaller than oceans and are generally a part of the oceans, partially enclosed by land. Next, what are the main layers of earth? Crust, mantle, and core are the main layers of the earth. Crust, mantle, and core are the main layers of the earth. How are the oceans and seas are useful to us? Oceans and seas serve as sources of food, valuable minerals, and salts. Not only this, I am completing. This answer is not completed. I am writing here. Salts, they also, continuing here, this answer, fifth answer is continuing here. They also serve as a vast highway for commerce, and provide a place for recreation, they play a vital role. They play a vital role in the water cycle. They play a vital role in the water cycle that brings us rain. Here they also serve as a vast highway. Vast, vast, highway, vast highway here. Name any 4 South Indian states. Sixth answer, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Kerala, Karnataka and Telangana. Otherwise, you will write Telangana here. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Kerala are the southern region of India. Okay, come to your notes. Once I will give the oral of answer. Oceans and seas serve as sources of food, valuable minerals and salts. They also serve as a vast highway for commerce and provide a place for recreation. They play a vital role in the water cycle that brings us rain. Okay? Our workbook is completed. And I am giving homework to you. As the activity book. Activity book is for your homework. Amma, all of you open your activity book. I am giving homework to you. 24 page. Amma, color and region. Take the help of your course book. And shade the color and what is the region called? Southern state, northern India, southeast of India, like the regions are there. Take the help of your course book and complete this. Okay, this is your homework. And here also, match each state with its capital or major. Here capitals are given, here major language is given. In the middle, states are given. you have to match. This is also take the help of your course book. If you know, I will be happy. If you do not, take the help of your course book. And here also, match states or union territories, its measure and languages. Okay? Take the help of your course book and complete that. Here also. Number 1, number 2, number 3. The countries, the boundary countries of India, borders of India, the neighboring countries of India are given here. Given number. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 is given like that. You have to write the neighboring countries according to the number. Take the help of your course book and complete. Okay? Neighboring countries are there in the textbook. Take the help of your course book and complete it. And here you know this crust, mantle and core, where they are located. Arrow marks are there. Complete that. Okay? And color it. Here match the country with the capital and currency. Country with capital and currency. You must take the help of your course book and complete. ఇది కూడా మన కోర్స్ బుక్ లో ఉంది. కోర్స్ బుక్ తీసుకొని ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా కంట్రీ విత్ లాంగ్వేజ్. టేక్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కోర్స్ బుక్ అండ్ కంప్లీట్. Okay, here color the continents in different colors and label them. Label the oceans also. Okay, what we have to do? You have to color the continents and label them. Means you have to write the names. నా కోర్స్ బుక్లో ఏ కలర్ అయితే ఉందో అదే కలర్ ఆ కాంటినెంట్కి వేసి కాంటినెంట్ నేమ్ రాయండి. అలాగే యూ మస్ట్ లేబుల్ ద ఓషన్స్ ఆల్సో. హియర్ ఆల్సో టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కోర్స్ బుక్. For each and every page you must take the help of your course book and complete the activity book. This is a homework. Okay? Totally our lesson is completed. Activity book has to done by the student at home. Okay? Complete homework. Okay, Nana? Workbook is the homework to you. You must complete the homework at your home by following the course book. Okay? Bye.